I got some packages in the mail, baby. Let's see what's inside. To reach the first level of monetization on YouTube, you need 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the past 90 days, 3 million shorts views, or 3,000 watch hours total on your channel. Once you do this, you'll be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you get accepted into the program, you'll be able to have a shopping tab on your channel, which enables you to sell merchandise. The shopping tab has a variety of options with full YouTube integration. Just choose which platform you want to use and the setup is easy from there. I ultimately chose Spring for my channel because of its popularity and great reviews among YouTube creators. Once you choose a platform, you're ready to create the design for your merchandise. I used Canva and I wanted to create a design geared towards gaming. And this is how I came up with the Game Now, Cry Later merchandise. And of course, I had to be my first customer, so today we're going to open these packages and review the quality from Spring for YouTube shopping. Let's get into it. All right, so the first package we got, I think this is the t-shirt. Let's see. Yep, t-shirt. Boom. Game Now, Cry Later, baby. Let me see the front. Oh yeah. Did a beautiful job on it. Let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, so the t-shirt is a good fit, real comfortable, the right length, extra large, baby. Got the Power Rangers hat on with it. Looking real nice. Game Now, Cry Later. All right, so the next package, I'm pretty sure this is the long sleeve t-shirt. Yep. Game Now, Cry Later, baby. Try it on. The long sleeve t-shirt, again, a nice fit, fits good around the neck, good on the arms, great length. Hey, it's perfect. It looks really good. The last thing we got, pretty sure this is the hoodie. It's gotta be. Game Now, Cry Later hoodie. Let's try it on. And the last article of clothing, the hoodie. The Game Now, Cry Later logo, baby. Power Rangers hat, matches perfectly with it. It's a good fit, good in the arms, true to size. All of these have been true to size, extra large. You can see on. But yeah, sometimes I have to order a double XL, but all of these have been true to size for me. Extra large. Everything's been extra large. The long sleeve, the short sleeve. This hoodie is extra large. All of them have fit good. Great quality. The logo came out great. What do you guys think? We have one more thing to open though. All right, so the last thing we need to open is a coffee mug. Let's check out the quality on that. Let's go, baby. It was packaged beautifully. Definitely not broke. Oh, that came out perfect. Look at that. You can focus in? Yeah. Game Now, Cry Later, baby. All right, guys, so we got everything open. I like the quality on everything. The design came out good. I'm gonna give Spring a 9.5 out of 10. The design process was easy. The YouTube integration was easy. The shipments got here pretty fast. You guys got to see the material. The material was grade A. Didn't feel cheap at all. So yeah, guys, once you reach the first level of monetization and you get the YouTube shopping tab, Spring is definitely a viable option. Great quality. You see everything came out good. The clothes need to be ironed a little bit. They were a little wrinkled, but that's expected. They were packaged. Other than that, I think Spring's quality was grade A. Everything came out good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to go check out my shopping tab, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.